Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy T, coming at you live from the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Currently, the weather's not cooperating. It's supposed to start raining around 10 o'clock. It's probably about a quarter till, something like that. So we're gonna walk around a little bit. We'll probably go inside, get y'all some shots of some nice cars. I've never actually been inside the museum before, so we'll probably go in there, look at some deliveries or whatever they have on the floor, and we'll get back to you when we get it. Yep, all right, peace. We got a 70th anniversary edition C8 Z06 in carbon flash with the stripes. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh my God, beautiful engine. I can't say who built it. But yeah, this is if I was gonna get a black one, then I would just go ahead. If I could get one this year for 2023, I would get the 70th anniversary edition, because like I said, I like the Alcantara. I don't know about the Alcantara steering wheel, holding up over time because of the oils and grease in your hand and stuff, but I think the Alcantara looks more premium than the leather, especially on the dash. I guess y'all can't see that because of the glare, but yeah, that looks really good. And like I said, I don't know if y'all can see, but the carbon level 2 piece in the middle looks really good. I mean, I really like it. Like I said, I'm really thinking about going for that. And as you can see, it actually goes, oh, my bad. It actually goes up the side of the dash on both sides, and the middle piece goes up here. But yeah, I love this carbon steering wheel. Competition seats, in my opinion, are the best for the anniversary edition, because if you get the GT2 seats, these colors are flipped. So you got this sky cool gray down at the bottom and then the black at the top, which looks good, but now you got a lighter color that you're sitting in all the time, with blue jeans, and I think it would tend to get, a little dirtier quicker. Yeah, that does. It looks mean. But like I said, if I was going to do a black one, you might as well just do the anniversary edition. And this is the white 70th Stingray. And again, if I was going to do white, I would do the pearl white. It's just got a little bit more pop to it. I mean, not a whole lot, just enough to be different. All right, don't drive fast now. But as you can see, the seats on the GT2 seats, like I said, the color is flipped. You got black at the top and sky cool gray in the middle, which, like I said, it looks good, but now you got, all of this light there. See it, you see it already. I don't know if you can see that, but right here, oh, that's a hair, never mind. But I mean, it's still kind of, starting to get a little dirty. And honestly, like I said, this will give y'all a better look. And I didn't know that. I guess that's kind of a leathery down here, but this is all suede. If you hadn't seen, I don't know why I'm rubbing over here, but I'm looking over here. But anyway, all of this is suede on the door panel, everything I'm touching. You got leather down here, and then this is leather down here. Let me see, you got the B pillars, the suede. You got, and this is, I'm doing this because somebody asked me on my video last year, somebody asked me what all was suede, and that's why I'm doing this. But even this part up here that goes up towards the front of the dash and the A pillar, that's suede. All of this is suede. The armrest, yeah, and that whole B pillar part and the back, the roof, all of that suede. So pretty much everything except for the seats, the lower part of this panel, the glove box, and the bottom parts of the door, and a little waterfall piece in the middle, but everything else is pretty much suede. And like I said, it looks really good. All right, this, oh wow, they got the cover on. Okay, got a treat for y'all. This is, excuse me, the Eray, and the color is cacti, I believe. And I'm gonna probably take a video with my GoPro just to make sure the colors come out like they're supposed to. But it actually doesn't look bad, not for me, but I always tell people you really need to see these colors in person, because the visualizer just kind of gives you an idea of what it's going to look like, but it doesn't actually look like that most of the time. And I think if people saw that silver flare in person, it would be getting a lot more orders. But this is the clear cover that somebody was talking about in the previous video, that that GM's going to offer for you to retrofit a clear cover. And I've heard people say that the window wasn't big enough, but I mean, really, you just want to see that there's a mid-engine. You know what I'm saying? You just want to be able to see the engine, which they say, oh, all you see is the cover, but everything around it is just stuff. It's just pipes and just stuff. You know what I mean? So I think it's enough. I mean, if that's what you want, so people can lean over your car and possibly scratch it, looking at the engine. Me, I would love to see the engine, but I'm going for the convertible, so it really doesn't matter to me at all. But give y'all a look on the inside at this color, and forgive me because I can't remember what the name of the color is, but it's more of a gray, like a clay. You ever made like pottery, and then as it's drying, it goes from a lighter color to a darker color, whatever. That's kind of what it looks like. And it would actually probably look good in the Sea Wolf gray. Might be a little too much gray, I guess, but I hope you guys are seeing this. But yeah, everything, the B pillars is that color, but it's suede. Yeah, even the carpet is that color. And like I said, it's more of a clay gray than it. Oh, and I didn't see that. That's got suede on the door here, and it's got the carbon level too, also. Yeah, but I mean, I don't hate it. I mean, it's kind of like the caffeine. I don't hate it, but like I said, I don't think it's for me. And one thing about the Erays, I do like the wheels. I didn't like those on the visualizer either, but they look good rolling. And like I said, I think they look good on the car. They just, yeah. And this is the cutaway for the Eray, which, I mean, if you've seen the two previous cutaways, this is nothing new except for when I go around to the other side and show you the battery pack. And I don't know if you guys remember, when I was at the Bash last year, I actually looked down the tunnel and I was like, you know what, they got plenty of room in here to do a manual if they wanted to, or, maybe they're going to do, use this space for something else, because it just seemed like it was wasted space. Those of you that don't know, this is the engine, 6.2 liter. That's the air box. That's the air comes in at. Transmission, transaxle. Yeah. Good Lord, that freaking big old muffler. I mean, first thing you do is take that off and lose 60 pounds. This is the Sea Wolf Gray. I wish they had more of the car so you could actually see it. Again, nice color. Not for me, I don't think. This is the 160 horsepower electric motor that drives the front wheels. And from what I understand, they had to raise the shock towers to make room to do. I think the suspension piece is a little different or whatever. They either raised it or lowered. I can't remember, but I know I remember them saying they had to do something with this to make room for that. But yeah, I remember, looking at this and I saw a couple of coolant lines going back up in there, and I was like, they got some room. They can put a linkage or something in there. Radiator situation, you got one here, which I don't understand why this one has 3 radiators, because you don't have the flat plane crank engine, and it's not really a track spec, because I don't think the regular Stingray has one here. I think I could be wrong. Like I said, I think the regular Stingray has this one, and one on the side. And I think maybe the Z71 adds another motor, but maybe that's cooling some other stuff. But yeah, these are the battery packs. You see that? What is that, a cutaway on? Is that the air intake? Oh yeah, I guess that's part of the airbox. Yeah, okay. I don't know if y'all can see through there, but it goes down through here. Well, I guess the air comes in here. Through the top right here, goes this way, and then comes into here and goes into the engine. And I'm assuming it does it on both sides. But yeah, just to shock y'all, I'm paying back over to that cacti color. I don't know, like I said, somebody at GM's got an infatuation with green. I'm just glad they didn't put green in this Seawolf gray. Yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about these colors. That's both of them next to each other. This is the new blue. And I don't know what to think about it yet. Riptide blue. Now I'm looking at the camera. I'm not sure. Well, this screen sucks. I don't know, but it looks like it's got a little purple in it in the camera, but I'm looking at it with my eye, and I don't really see the same. I mean, it's a little bit, but
there's custom parts and XPEL.
got the sky cool gray seats. Is that that? This is black. I guess that's the closest you're gonna get to a chrome rim. Oh yeah, for those of you who don't know, the Erays come standard with carbon ceramic brakes. And somebody said something about the brake regen or whatever, but I don't know. I don't know what the reason is behind it. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry, brother. I don't know. I'm just trying to. I'm still trying to figure out if I like it or not, which is not good. Yeah, y'all tell me what y'all think. I was planning on putting it on the list, and like I said, I wish Charlotte was here so she could see it in person. But I don't know. Like I said, I think I kind of feel the same way as I do about the other two. I don't hate it. I don't love it either. I mean, I kind of like it, but I don't love it. Oh, no, you good. It's just if I'm just trying to figure out, if I go out to the garage and open it up and see this, it doesn't make me smile. Like, yeah. And I like blue. I don't know. I mean, I still think it's a much better blue than the Elkhart Lake blue. It's brighter. It's more appealing. It's more eye-catching. Like I said, I think that I would love. You know what I mean? I think my expectations were really high, and I think that's what happened. I think I was expecting to just be, in love with it. You know what I mean? But I mean, I like it. Yeah, I don't know.
Mile an hour from touch. It's really fantastic. That's stories in itself. So all those acolytes are cool, but the best ones being having you parked here in the Corvette Museum, which has been since last October, and being able to show you folks this vehicle. So if you have any, later you come by and talk if you like.
We're gonna make John available as we get through the ceremony with the two others. But Tony, we do have time for just one or two quick questions. Anybody have a quick question for Tony about the car? Yes, sir. Come over to the microphone. Horsepower. How much horsepower, Tony?
Well, I haven't dynoed this one. I quit dynoing cars because it didn't matter. I modeled this is a 388 stroker, 6-inch rods, all the good parts in it, great heads, great cam, Ollie 4150 sniper on it. I modeled it after a 560 horse build, and it goes pretty good. It'll go as fast as you want. My test driver, I found that you can drive on the street for a long time and not break them. And